Integrated cardamom and areca nut farming can be a viable agricultural approach, especially in regions with suitable climatic conditions. Here are some key points to consider for integrated farming. Climate and location. Ensure that your farm is located in a region with the right climate for both cardamom and areca nut cultivation. Cardamom typically thrives in cool, moist conditions, while areca nut prefers warm and humid climates. Soil requirements. Conduct soil tests to determine the soil suitability for both crops. Cardamom prefers well-drained, loamy soil with good organic content, while areca nut can grow in a range of soils but prefers well-drained, sandy loam. Planting. Plant cardamom in shaded areas, as it requires protection from direct sunlight. Areca nut palms, on the other hand, need full sunlight. Plan your farm layout accordingly to accommodate both requirements. Crop management. Implement proper crop management practices for both cardamom and areca nut. This includes regular watering, fertilization, and pest control. Maintain appropriate shade for cardamom by planting suitable shade trees. Harvesting. Cardamom is typically harvested by hand, while areca nuts are harvested when they mature. Ensure you have the necessary equipment and labor for efficient harvesting. Market research. Research local and regional markets for both cardamom and areca nuts to understand demand, pricing, and potential buyers. Diversifying your income sources through integrated farming can be financially beneficial. Intercropping. Consider intercropping with compatible crops to further optimize land use and increase income. For example, ginger, turmeric, or vanilla can be suitable intercrops with cardamom. Sustainability. Focus on sustainable farming practices to ensure long-term productivity and minimize environmental impact. This includes soil conservation, organic farming methods, and efficient water management. Legal regulations. Be aware of any regulations or permits required for cardamom and areca nut cultivation in your region. Compliance with local laws is crucial. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest agricultural techniques and research related to cardamom and areca nut farming. Attend workshops, seek advice from agricultural experts, and join farming associations if available. That successful integrated farming requires careful planning, dedication, and ongoing monitoring. It's essential to adapt your practices based on the specific conditions and challenges of your farm. The areca nut crop and other crops that may be grown in the garden. Reduce soil erosion. The dense root system of cardamom helps to prevent soil erosion. Weed control. Cardamom plants grow densely and help to suppress weeds. Improved biodiversity. Intercropping helps to improve biodiversity in the garden, which can attract beneficial insects and other predators of pests. In addition to these benefits, intercropping areca nut with cardamom is also a sustainable farming practice. It helps to reduce the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, and it improves the overall health of the garden. Here are some specific examples of the benefits of intercropping areca nut with cardamom. A study in India found that farmers who intercropped areca nut with cardamom earned an average of 20% more income than farmers who only grew areca nut. Another study found that intercropping areca nut with cardamom reduced the risk of crop failure by up to 50%. A third study found that intercropping areca nut with cardamom improved soil fertility by up to 20%. Plant estimation. Recommended to plant 2 to 3 cardamom plants between every 2 areca nut palms. This will provide the cardamom plants with enough light and space to grow, while also providing some shade from the areca nut palms. For example, if you have an areca nut plantation with 100 palms, spaced 10 meters apart in rows and 10 meters apart within rows, then you could plant 200 to 300 cardamom plants between the 2 rows of areca nut palms. In 1 acre of land you can plant 800 areca tree and 1600 to 2000 cardamom plants. Profit estimation. You can earn up to 3 to 4 lakh per acre.